Morning, Pigeon family. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ham's Loft. I'm going over. Someone asked me about my pellets, so I'm gonna do a quick thing on my pellets. These are Purina Nuri green pellets, and that's gold pellets. And if you look at the little chart, I'll bring the chart in. I use the chart in the winter time. You have to zoom in, but it tells you here the winter mix is the gold at the bottom. And as you blend back in, it's giving you an amount. I use the pellets for breeding. It does cause the waste to be a little bit softer than the little round, chunks that the homers make with the little feather, little plume on top. But it works really well for plumping up the babies before I pull them out and move them into their flying area, which I had extended. I had another one up if you've seen it before. It looked too shabby for me, so I just went on and fixed it up. Let's take a look at the young birds. That's 30, I think it's 35. It goes out, zoom back. That part right there, from there to there, is roughly 4 feet. And then it's got another piece of plywood that goes underneath there, which it holds underneath that right there, underneath the gate, and comes out to here. And I just put 2 pieces of wood, just holding it up. I haven't put my lock on it right yet, but this right here got my hinges, so it just flops all the way down. And those 3 I just pulled out of this breeding section: the white with gray and the blue bar. Well, looks like a blue bar or a check. Those 2 are nest mates. The silver, or what some people call red, that's he was by himself in the nest box. But all the other 2 totally are nest mates, and their parents produced that one and that white. Those are their first round, that white and that white with the gray on top. This is their second round. That white with the more defined, they look like it's part blue bar, and that blue bar or check, whichever one you want to call it. All right, y'all. Any questions, comments? Look like it's about to rain. I am trap training right now, so they're not no problem trap training. They already been through the trap about 3 times. They'll keep going through it. They got a couple more weeks before they get out. All the birds starting next week. That'll be the last round of putting any birds in this one. All the rest of the birds that's coming, all the rest of the young birds after Sunday will go into this one. So this will be A, and that'll be B. That way I know A team had a bunch of time out. Anyone, if you can see, I'll just try to zoom in. Blue bands are bands that I got from another flyer up the street. Bands with just the regular bands without a blue band is my birds that I bred. So I got I think I got roughly 40 banded babies, 4 banded birds, and that black with white flights, that's my only extra flight. She's a hen, so I got in there with them birds. She'll fly just like that, but I won't fly with them. But she knows how to fly and how to come home. So, all right, that's about it. Let me subscribe, comment. Shouts out to all the flyers. Special shout out to my friend Hawaiian Brian, which goes by the name Beta Whisperer. He's if you do a lot of fish stuff, his channel is Beta Whisperer out of Hawaii. All right then, peace, comment. do what you do.